Right behind me is S104, where a group of passionate students, part of Arcadia High's coding club, meet on Thursdays at lunch to have workshops, help each other with their code, and learn different coding languages. My name is Wesley Chen, and I'll be reporting for AUSD today.
Coding Club is for students who are interested in coding or simply just need some extra help with their code. With over 20 members in Coding Club, it is a great way to collaborate with other like-minded students, get extra help, and expand your knowledge outside your typical coding class.
You should join Coding Club because we do workshops, we teach different languages like JavaScript, Java, Python, AI, machine learning. It's a lot of fun, everyone's excited to be there, and we host workshops over the weekend, and we have coding challenges.
For most of us, coding may seem like an extremely difficult and confusing form of science. However, Coding Club has a great community and atmosphere that is open to all levels of coding.
So I love Coding Club because, first of all, I've met a lot of really great people in Coding Club. We solve really great problems together. They're really hard just to tackle by yourself, but it makes it a lot better when you can tackle it in a community. Also, we host almost weekly workshops where we teach our students how to basically just everything about a given language or topic. And it really helps the students to get a good grasp on coding as a language, and it'll help them in the future for their profession if they choose to go into coding.
For more information on Coding Club, be sure to check out their Instagram page where you can find their Discord server or visit S104 on Thursdays at lunch. This has been Wesley Chen reporting for AUSD Today.